Hello everyone, tonight I'm going to be making meatballs with a creamy sauce, just like the Swedish meatballs recipe, but I like to add fresh mushroom to it. You can serve it next to rice or next to pasta. Let's see how I make it. I have here 2 pounds ground beef, half cup chopped onions, gonna add parsley. I'm gonna leave some for garnishing. Half cup panko, and 1 egg. Shape the meat into small balls. I start with browning the meatballs. I have here 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. After browning the meatballs, remove it in separate plates and put it on the side. Add half chopped onion to the remaining butter and oil and saute it or caramelize it until it's light brown. Remove the sauteed onion in separate plate and put it on the side. Add the sliced mushroom and cook it until the mushroom drops all the juice. Then we're gonna take it out and remove it in separate plate. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter, then we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of flour to create the roux. Once the flour turns into this color, we add the beef broth and keep whisking to make sure there is no lumps in it. Add the cream to the sauce. Now we add the sauteed onion and the mushrooms with all the juice. Then we're gonna add the meatballs to the sauce. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce thickens.